Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are paired and updated to the latest Watch OS and iOS versions. Open the Reminders app on your wrist to view lists, or use Siri to create reminders hands-free. Use the Watch app on your iPhone to control notification, sound, and haptic settings for reminders. Check that iCloud is enabled for reminders on both devices so lists stay synced across devices. Confirm Do Not Disturb and Focus settings. Allow alerts when you need them most. Press the digital crown, open Reminders, then tap Add Reminder to type or dictate your task. Tap the microphone to use dictation or select Scribble to write letters with your finger. Say a Siri phrase like Remind Matakal at 3 p.m. to create time-based reminders quickly. Tap Add Date and Time, toggle Location for place-based alerts, and choose Repeat options if needed. Use subtasks and Priority to organize complex items and assign reminders to specific. Use the Watch app on iPhone to adjust notification sound, haptic strength, and show alerts as banners. Reminders sync via iCloud so edits on your Watch update on iPhone and other devices instantly. Touch a reminder to mark Complete, Delete, or move it to another list directly on the Watch. If you miss an alert, swipe down in the Notification Center to find it quickly. Customize Complications to place a Reminders shortcut on your watch face for one-tap access.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.